Finding winning products is very hard. Yes. Don't worry, I got you. I'll make it more easier for you in this video. Finding winning products is one of the most challenges in dropshipping business for most people. The problem is that the most people are looking for a winning product, but they don't even know exactly what it looks like. If you want to find a winning product, you need to first understand the characteristics of a winning product and have a clear and picture of what you need to look for, or else you just be wasting your times and effort on something nice. So, without wasting much of our time, like I said, I got you. I'll make it more easier for you. In this video, I'm going to give you just two key characteristics of a winning product. So this will help you for your product research. Whenever you want to do your product research, this is going to help you. So keep watching. The first key characteristics of a winning product is the product should have a wow factors. What does that mean? Let me explain this in short. It is a product that you see and think you're like, what? I have never seen this before. Like, wow, that is awesome. I like this product. That is the kind of reaction your potential buyer should have whenever they see the product. As this will entice them to learn more about the product, they will be willing to know more about the product. The second key characteristics of a winning product is the product should solve a problem. Another great characteristic to find in a product is that it solves a problem. This is because whenever people are facing problem, whenever people are dealing with issue, they will be willing to pay for solution. So your goal is just to let them know that your product is solving a problem. So if your product is solving the problems, you are able to make your audience realize that the value that your product will add to the buyers' lives will be convincing enough for them to buy the product. And trust me, you can also charge premium price for this because you are solving an actual problem. You are solving an actual problem of the buyer and you are making their life more easier. Thank you for watching this video. I know you have learned something in this video. If you know you have learned something in this video, comment below, okay? And don't forget to share the video. Thank you.